Hey y'all, welcome back to Just a Little Homestead. If you're new here, my name is Wilma. Today we're going to be opening up our February Hoss Gardening Club box. And before we do that though, I wanted to run outside and show y'all the progress of the garden. So let's take a look real quick. All right, here in our onion bed, if you recall, we did onions in all of these. And on this one, well, actually in all of them, I put carrots. This one has the carrots in the inside, right on the inner center, and they're all starting to come up. They're actually starting to come up on all of them. It looks so good. Look at those. In between all the empty spaces of the onions, I put carrots. The onions are coming up really good too. So everywhere, it's so exciting. Everywhere we have carrots and onions. And then our potatoes, the Norland red potatoes that we cut up and then planted. Look at that. They are all growing. Sorry, the sun's going down already, so it's getting kind of dark. But hopefully y'all can still see that. Let me get out of the way of whatever light we have. Hey, baby. Hey, baby. Say hi. Say hi, handsome boy. Look at this. It looks so good. I guess I'm gonna have to start healing that up already. Maybe I'll wait a couple days. I don't know how many inches I'm supposed to wait because they're small, but they're big. They're maybe 3 inches. I don't know how big they need to be before I start healing up. And then here in the Butter Crunch bed, I planted radishes in between. So you can see those. They're all starting to grow. So those should be ready soon. I think those take like 30 days. Those shouldn't take too long. And then on the back side is I think it's called the sweet magnolia, the snap peas from Botanical Interest. So those are all along the back. And then I went and got these little mini trellises from the Dollar Tree. They were only $1.50 each, so I grabbed like 6 of them so I could have it for this. So everything is growing so nicely. If this cold weather would stop coming over here, everything can continue. It's supposed to get cold again this weekend. I am not looking forward to that. I'm gonna have to bring everything back inside the gym anyways, the stuff that I can. Everything else is pretty much stuck out here. Hopefully it doesn't get too cold. And look at these. I thought these were gonna be ready to harvest in February, but because I planted these November the 12th, according to this little tag right there. And when I asked Google, it said by the end of February, but none of these, well, maybe I guess just this one here at the end are dying back, but none of the other ones look like they're dying back. They all look so good. This is the only one. But everything else looks really nice. So I don't know if I'm supposed to wait for every single green part here to die before I can harvest. This one's starting to get some flowers. Look at that. And according to what I've read, that means the potatoes are growing under there. I think that's the only one with some flowers. This one has that, but I don't know if that's actually a flower or starting to be one. But it looks so good. I'm so excited. So I guess I'm just gonna wait. I'm not gonna harvest these from what Google told me to do. I'm gonna wait till everything is brown. And here is my elephant garlic. This looks beautiful. I don't know when I'm supposed to harvest that. I think I have to wait until another couple months. I'm gonna have to ask Google that as well. And you know what? The sun is going down, but it feels so nice out here right now. So before it gets cold, let's go ahead and just open up the box out here. Okay, hopefully y'all can hear me better now. I finally remembered to go get the microphone before the sun goes down while it feels really good outside. Let's go ahead and start opening this up. And then we'll get to see what we have for next month. I already know what this one is. This is the seeds of the month. So let's see what we got. First thing is seedling mix. Okay, so we have some seedling mix. So I know we're gonna have some seeds in here. We have, look at that, another heat mat. I don't know how many heat mats I have already. I have more than enough now. And we have some seed trays. We have 2 and 2 bottoms so we can bottom water. And this is 25, a 25 cell. And 2 of them. 1, 2. So this is awesome. Can never have enough of these. And our seeds. See what we got. We have Posinator banana pepper. Sorry, the wind is starting to take over. Posinator hybrid tomato. I didn't have this one or the banana pepper, so I can definitely use that. Sun sugar hybrid tomato. We have Posinator jalapeno pepper, which I had. I think I have this one growing already, as well as the Posinator bell pepper. So I have both of these growing. The sun sugar, this looks very familiar. I don't remember if I have this or not. I might, but if not, I will grow it. So we have those 5 packets. We have the soil so we can get everything started, along with our 2 packs of cells. So I cannot wait to get this started. I'll probably do that this weekend. Well, it's already Saturday. I'll probably do that tomorrow then. Heat mat. That way we can get it started before Monday. Tomorrow is Sunday. It's supposed to be cold tomorrow. So I won't be doing anything outside, but I'll be able to do that. And then, of course, you get your little book that gives you all the information about what you just got. Seed starting guide. They give you some recipes. And they tell you what's in the box, of course. We just saw what's in there. It tells you what every tier got. So if your seeds of the month, you got 4 packs of seeds. If you're the small sprouts, which is what we are, then we got everything that I just showed you. The heavy harvesters, which is the one that's a tier above us, I think that one's like $75 a month. Mine's only $39 a month, which is the small sprouts. So the heavy harvesters got everything that we got, but I'm sure they got like higher quantities of everything. It doesn't say exactly what, but they probably got more cell trays or a bigger bag of seed starting mix, something. They got more stuff, I'm pretty sure, than we did. And next month's theme says gardening in containers, grow your own food anywhere. And it has a picture of a grow bag, which means we're probably going to get grow bags for next month's package along with some seeds. I did see that on a video from last year. They did send somebody, I don't remember what month it was, but they did send somebody grow bags and seeds. So that's probably what they're going to do, which is awesome. I love grow bags. I need grow bags. I need more because I'm going to use them for all the potatoes that we have. So that's exciting. I'll definitely use that along with that 100-gallon grow bag that I have somewhere. I'm going to use that probably for the potatoes as well. But this is everything that we have for these small sprouts. If you want what I just showed you, this is small sprouts. You have to order before the end of February to get this. Keep in mind, if you order the last day of February, you will get everything here that I just showed you. But then on the very first day of the month, they're going to turn around and charge you again for March's package. So just keep in mind, on the first of the month is when they do the charge. So even if you order the last day of the month, if you order in February, you're getting February's package. And then they'll turn around and charge you for March. So just be prepared for that. You'll be getting both if you do that. Just a caution right there, because I have heard that somebody has done that before. So that's everything. Thank you again for joining me today in opening this and going through the garden. And we will do it again, hopefully in the daytime in a couple of days. I do need to cut the potatoes, and I guess I'm going to have to wait before we can plant those, but I need to get all of that done. So we'll be doing that probably next week, maybe. So thanks again for joining me. Please like and subscribe and have a great rest of your day. Bye, everybody.